Welcome to another edition of As a Matter of Tax, your trusted source for tax education and awareness, proudly brought to you by the Inland Revenue Department. On today's program, we will share some useful insights with you, our taxpayers, on the processing cycle of an income tax return. Before we begin, please be reminded that under the Income Tax Act, we operate a self-assessment tax system. It is therefore your responsibility to file your return every year. The deadline for filing your personal income tax return was 31st March. If you have not yet filed, you may still do so. However, a penalty of $20 is charged. Every month, the return remains outstanding. Now, let us look at the processing cycle of an income tax return. Upon submission of your return online, it is assigned a unique document number and assessment number. Following this, the Data Capturing and Processing section carefully reviews the submission for any irregularities or errors, and the necessary adjustments are made. These may include changes to reported remuneration, PAYE, and allowances claimed, which can result in adjustments to the tax payable or refundable as originally calculated by the taxpayer. An assessment is then prepared to determine the taxpayer's position. This reflects both the information submitted and any revisions made by the department. After review, the taxpayer may fall into one of three categories. 1. Tax payable to the department. 2. A zero balance on the assessment. 3. A refund due. In the first two instances, a notice of assessment is printed and mailed to the taxpayer. Where a refund is due, the return is forwarded to the refunds unit for further processing. Refunds may be delayed if supporting documentation for allowances claimed is not submitted, or if bank account information is not provided. Where there is a payable assessment, the information is transferred to the collection section to facilitate recovery of outstanding taxes. Even after processing, returns may be retrieved for further review or audit by the department. Adjustments may also be made based on audit findings or third-party information, and taxpayers will be notified accordingly. In accordance with the income tax regulations, if you are due a refund but have outstanding tax liabilities, the refund will be used to offset those arrears. Refunds will be paid to the bank account provided by the taxpayer. Additionally, if you are aggrieved by an assessment issued for non-filing, you may file a notice of objection within 30 days of receiving the notice. We trust that this overview of the processing cycle of an income tax return has been helpful. In closing, please be reminded, drivers celebrating birthdays in April are required to renew their driver's license on or before their birth dates. The deadline for all motor vehicle license with the last digit 4 is Wednesday, 30th April. Companies with a January year end are required to file their corporation tax returns by 30th April. That's all for today's edition of As a Matter of Tax. I am Kascie Smart. Thank you for listening and have a great day.